Let me save you an afternoon of searching. This is the Massachusetts Repair and Deduct letter. It is free, and you can have it filled in before this video finishes. Today, it is the Massachusetts Repair and Deduct letter. A repair and deduct letter is the tenant's written notice that something affecting the habitability of the unit is still not fixed, naming the defect, the date it was first reported, and what the tenant intends to do next. Repair and deduct is one of the few self-help remedies a tenant has, and it lives or dies on the paper trail you built before you used it. Without that letter, a tenant who arranges the work and subtracts the cost from the rent can find themselves defending an eviction instead of getting a repair. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Massachusetts law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Massachusetts, and the page walks you through the Massachusetts rules that apply to it. Complete the fields on the page and download the PDF the moment you are done. It is formatted correctly and it is yours to keep as the record copy. Give this a like if it saved you some time. Subscribe for the other states and the other forms, and grab this one at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.